Photoshop 2025 Quick Background Replacement Tips and Tricks Step-by-Step Guide. Open your image. Start by opening the image you want to edit in Photoshop 2025. Make a copy of the image. Press Command and J or Mac or Control and J or Windows to duplicate the layer. Always work non-destructively. Open the Contextual Task Bar. Go to Window, Contextual Task Bar to activate the new AI-powered tool panel. Select Remove Background. With your subject layer selected, click Remove Background in the Contextual Task Bar. Photoshop will use AI to separate the subject. Generate a new background. Click Generate Background in the same taskbar. Photoshop will autofill a new background using Generative Fill. Choose from 3 variants. Photoshop gives you 3 different background options to preview. Generate again for more options. Not happy with the results? Click Generate again to see 3 fresh background styles. Pro tips: use the lasso tool to refine the area before generating backgrounds for better control. Press Shift, Command G Mac, or Shift, Control G Windows to group your original and edited layers for organized editing. Save as PSD to preserve your generated background options for future tweaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps others find this video. Don't worry about subscribing, unless you want more quick Photoshop tips and tricks coming your way.